Good morning and welcome to Jeannie's World. It's Thursday, I believe, March 27th. Could be wrong. I'll have to check my calendar. It started raining today very gently around 8:30. But about 10 minutes ago, the rain got heavy. So 10 minutes ago, my grass did not look like this. So I'm keeping record on YouTube because basically it can't be changed. And after I've done sufficient study of my rainfall, I will turn them over. When I came home from the flea market yesterday, I found a big pile of trash in my yard. Can't see it now. But I cleaned my patio and I swept my dirt and I picked up all the loose grass. And I came home, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's this big pile of grass right in, trash grass, straw, just trash, right there. I got a pretty good idea who did it. I don't know, it looks like the sun is trying to come out and be the end of the rain. But this happened in less than 5 minutes. So this carpet is wet, the other carpet is still dry. So nothing going on over here. Everybody over here is happy. Just my grass is very sad. Everybody have a blessed day. If it starts raining again harder, or if I start having more flooding today, I will post another video. God bless.